Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to show you how to install a plugin through the WordPress admin interface. And we're going to actually show you how to find and install them, and then we're going to go ahead and get using a plugin that we've downloaded and installed. So the first thing we need to do is go to the admin section of our site. Now, once we're here, we can go to plugins directly, or we can go to add new. Since we want to add a new one, we can go ahead and click add new. Now, I know what I want. I want a Google Analytics plugin. So I'm just going to type in Analytics. Analytics, okay, great. And now that I've searched for that, it's no surprise that the second one right up here says Google Analytics dashboard for WordPress. There's also Analytics. Looks like there's a whole lot of different Google Analytics. And so what's great about this interface is that you can not only see, what version they're on and things like that, but you can actually get some more details about this by clicking on it. See how many times this particular plugin has been downloaded. This one has been downloaded 5 million times. So if it's been downloaded 5 million times and it has a star rating of 4.5, you can pretty much bet that this is going to be a good one to use. So to install this, we're going to go ahead and click install now. It's going to ask are you sure? And now if you don't have proper permissions for your site in your file directory, it might ask you for your FTP information. And of course, you're just going to want to give your site your FTP information at that point so that it can download and install the plugin. Now, we've downloaded and installed the plugin. It's asking us if we want to activate it. Well, if we come to, we could actually just click activate plugin right here, but I want to show you the plugins interface. So if we come to the plugins page, you're going to see all of your plugins, including the two that come with WordPress that are pretty much, Akismet, I believe that's how you say it. I've never heard anybody say it, so I don't really know how to pronounce it. This one's fine, but this Hello Dolly is pretty much worthless, so we can just ignore that one. And here we have our Google Analytics for WordPress, and so let's go ahead and click activate. All right, so basically we now have Google Analytics installed, and they wanted to know if they can track your usage of the plugin so that they can make it better. I mean, honestly, I don't see a problem with this, but if you're maybe doing a client site and the client doesn't give you permission, you might not want to add tracking. But if it's your own site and you don't mind, go ahead, click allow tracking. Okay, so now that we have the plugin installed, different plugins sort of add on to WordPress in different ways, so it's not always super obvious. However, this one has a settings link right in here, as the most of them will. So if we click settings, you're taken to this Google Analytics configuration page, and now all of these configuration pages might look a little bit different based on what exactly you're doing. However, it's going to ask you to click here to authenticate with Google. You of course can do that, and then it will add your tracking code. So sure, I'll allow access to this plugin, and it's asking me to select a profile. So now I have a whole bunch of profiles here. If you've already created your profile, you'd want to select it, and then you would have Google Analytics. You can even tell it where to go or insert the tracking code manually if you'd like. So just like that, we've installed and got up and running and even configured a little bit of a plugin in no time. Of course, it's saying it's not active because we didn't select a profile. I didn't create a profile for this test site, but of course you would if you had your real site. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment in the video or hit us up at Twitter or Facebook. Let us know what you're thinking. We also have the Level Up Tuts forum. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to install a plugin that you've downloaded from maybe somewhere else, right? Let's say there's a WordPress site, a repository of plugins, and you've just installed that plugin or downloaded it, or maybe somebody gave it to you. So here we're going to show you how to do that in the next video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.